Welcome to another enlightening journey with Allcure Next-Gen Ayurveda. Today, we're exploring an incredible herb that's gaining popularity for its natural healing properties. Babchi seeds, also known as Bakuchi. In this video, we'll learn what Babchi seeds are, their history, health benefits, what they contain, and how you can use them to improve your wellness. Let's get started. What are Babchi seeds? Babchi seeds come from the Psoralea Corylifolia plant, native to India and parts of Asia. These small brownish-black seeds have a strong aroma and are traditionally used in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for treating skin conditions, improving immunity, and promoting overall health. The history of Babchi seeds. Babchi seeds have been used for over 1000 years in traditional medicine. They are mentioned in Ayurvedic texts as a remedy for skin conditions such as vitiligo, eczema, and psoriasis. In ancient China, they were also prescribed for bone health and respiratory issues. This long history proves how powerful and versatile these tiny seeds are. Health benefits of Babchi seeds. Babchi seeds are known to help manage vitiligo, psoriasis, and eczema. Promotes collagen production, thus helping in reducing fine lines. These tiny seeds are also great for bone health. They are also known to help in regulating reproductive hormones. Let's see different ways to incorporate Babchi seeds into your daily routine. For topical application, grind the seeds into a powder, mix it with water, aloe vera, or honey to create a paste. This helps prevent formation of black spots, providing an even skin tone and contributes to achieve a healthier skin. For hair care, soak the seeds in coconut or sesame oil for a few days, then strain and apply to the scalp. This helps promote hair growth, makes hair denser, prevents hair fall, also helps get rid of dandruff. While Babchi seeds offer great benefits, they should be used with caution. Overuse can cause skin irritation or increase sun sensitivity. They're not advised for pregnant or breastfeeding women, and if you have liver conditions, it's best to consult a healthcare professional first. So, that's everything you need to know about Babchi seeds. From their ancient roots to their modern-day uses, Babchi seeds prove to be a natural powerhouse. If you're looking for a holistic way to support your skin, bones, or hair, Babchi might be worth a try. Just remember to use it wisely. Visit www.allcure.com now to shop this magic seed and try it yourself to begin your journey towards a healthier life. We hope you found this video informative and useful, and we encourage you to do your own research and explore the world of natural remedies to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching.